If you manage a wastewater facility or lift station, you're probably no stranger to odors. But when you get hit with a fine or the complaints from neighbors start piling up, what's your plan? Stick around for the solution. Today, let's talk about Fresh Zone, State Chemicals' heavy-duty solution for outdoor odor problems caused by facilities like wastewater plants, lift stations, and landfills. Fresh Zone tackles odors fast, saving time and avoiding costly fines. Here's what you need to know. What is Fresh Zone? State's Fresh Zone is an industrial deodorizer that is misted into the air to eliminate foul odors. Available in several unique scents, Fresh Zone is designed to deodorize organic malodors like waste or rotting vegetation. Fresh Zone scents come with State's powerful odor eliminating technology that eliminates malodor on a molecular level. With State's Fresh Zone system or the ready-to-use formula, a State Chemical representative can tailor the application to your issues. Fresh Zone can be applied to key areas to treat odors of any magnitude. Who is Fresh Zone a good fit for? Fresh Zone is the best fit for wastewater plants, food processing centers, landfills, lift stations, or other facilities with severe odor control necessities. Areas like trash collection systems, loading docks, or trash compactors often have odor issues that Fresh Zone handles with ease. Large office buildings and hospitals produce enough waste to require a strong solution, like Fresh Zone. Who is Fresh Zone not a good fit for? If your facility isn't producing a large quantity of odors, there are other, less intense odor elimination or fragrance options that may be a better fit for your space. If you don't have the requirements to set up the State Fresh Zone fogging system, such as nearby sources of water and power, there are other solutions that could fit your specific issue. It's best to avoid using Fresh Zone near painted metal surfaces, and it's not HVAC compatible. So an indoor solution for extreme odors would be best solved with a system like the Fragrance Central. When and why do I need Fresh Zone? If you let odors at your wastewater facility, landfill, or lift station worsen and spread to other areas, it's very possible that you could be fined. Using a strong solution to keep away odors from other buildings will ensure that you can focus on more important problems instead of dealing with complaints and fines. Fresh Zone will show visitors and neighbors alike that you have a clean and well-maintained facility. How do I use Fresh Zone? Fresh Zone comes in two forms: ready to use for quick and effortless odor reduction, or concentrated, which requires dilution using the Fresh Zone dispensing system. If you choose to order the concentrated form, the system can be set to dilute the formula at a specific amount for your problem, and a State Chemical representative will handle installation, setup, and even train your staff on proper procedure. How much does Fresh Zone cost? Typically, purchasing Fresh Zone from State Chemical may cost you an amount within this range, but price can vary depending on the size of your facility. Fresh Zone is designed for affordability, especially with our concentrated formulas and systems. It's important to remember that installation and service are on us. We will make sure the products and systems are operating in the most efficient manner possible. State Chemical can be more expensive than solutions you'd get at the corner store, but the solutions you're getting with State are industrial strength and incredibly cost effective. If you're interested in learning more about our air care solutions, feel free to check out some of our other content linked below, or hit the Contact Us link to get into contact with one of our trained professionals today.